How to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, we will simply discuss the way on how we can turn on dark mode on the Snapchat app. But before we get started with this tutorial, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can basically see that this is how it is going to look like. Currently, if I just go ahead and show you, you can see that I'm on the lighter theme. So in order to switch to dark theme, what you have to do is just tap on that little Bitmoji profile which you see on the very top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the Bitmoji icon over here, you'll be taken to your profile page. Again, you have to tap on the gear icon, which is a settings icon from the top right hand side. Once you tap on the gear icon and come to your settings page, you'll be able to see all sorts of various options. On a list of these options, you just have to go and look for the option called App Appearance. So right at the bottom, right under the voice scan feature, you'll find the section that is App Appearance. So tap on it, and you can see that we have three options. The first is the match system one, which means that if your iOS or your operating system is on dark theme, Snapchat is going to automatically follow that when you set it to match theme and vice versa. If you set it to light theme, regardless of whatever theme you're on, you're always going to be light theme, and similarly for the dark as well. But since we're learning as to how we can turn on dark mode on Snapchat, what we will do is just tap on the always dark button. So once you select always dark option, what you want to do is you can just go ahead and also refresh it. So after you refresh the application, right over here, if I go to my profile page, now you can see that we have been successfully switched to the dark version of Snapchat, and this is how you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.